MNG, my dear Gotham friends, welcome to Jurassic Park, the arcade game.
Good luck.
1993 was a big year for dinosaurs. A box office breaking film and a wealth of toys and video games abound. The movie was based on the 1990 Michael Crichton sci-fi novel of the same name. Fundamental themes of the tale include the ethical implications of genetic engineering, the real-world implications of an extinct species being reintroduced in this modern time, and serves to show the concept of chaos theory in action. Basic dinosaur facts. Dinosaurs are a group of reptiles that have existed on Earth for about 245 million years. Modern birds are a kind of dinosaur because they share a common ancestor with non-avian dinosaurs. All non-avian dinosaurs went extinct about 66 million years ago. There are roughly 700 known species of extinct dinosaurs. Dinosaur fossils have been found on all 7 continents. In 1842, Sir Richard Owen, an English naturalist, coined the term dinosauria, derived from the Greek dinos meaning fearfully great and sauros meaning lizard.
Did you know that dinosaurs had big ears, but everyone forgot because dinosaur ears don't have bones? It's a rock fact.
The Age of Dinosaurs. The earliest known dinosaurs appeared during the Triassic period, approximately 250 to 200 million years ago. During the Mesozoic era, roughly 180 million years altogether, Triassic, Jurassic, Cretaceous, a species of non-avian dinosaur evolved into a species of avian dinosaur, the first bird and forebearer of all birds. Contrary to what many people think, not all dinosaurs lived during the same geological period. In fact, more time separates Stegosaurus and Tyrannosaurus rex than separates modern humans from T-Rex. What is a dinosaur? Some dinos weighed as much as 80 tons and were more than 120 feet long. Others were the size of a chicken and weighed as little as 8 pounds. Meat eaters walked on 2 legs and hunted alone or in groups, while plant eaters walked on either 2 or 4 legs and grazed on plants. The feature that distinguishes dinosaurs from other reptiles is a hole in the hip socket, which allowed dinosaurs to walk upright. Pterosaurs, flying reptiles, and plesiosaurs, ocean-dwelling reptiles, did not have this feature and thus were not dinosaurs. How many kinds of dinosaurs are there? Despite fossil records being incomplete, there are an estimated 300 separate genus and 700 species of dinosaurs that have been discovered and named. One reason for the incompleteness of the fossil record is that rocks from some geological time periods are not commonly found on the surface of the Earth. How are dinosaurs named? Dinosaur names follow the International Code of Zoological Nomenclature, a set of rules that governs all scientific names for living or extinct organisms. The code requires that a scientific name be composed of two parts. The first part, called the genus, is always capitalized. The second, called the specific epithet, is never capitalized. Both names are always italicized, and sometimes the genus name is abbreviated, as in T-Rex for Tyrannosaurus rex. The genus name may be used alone to refer to all the species in a particular genus. Dinosaur names are often made up of combinations of Greek and Latin root words that describe anatomical characteristics or how the animal might have behaved. Other dinosaur names might honor a person or denote where the fossil remains were discovered. Some dinosaur names are short, others are tongue twisters. Here are a few examples of root words you might recognize. Allo, strange. Apato, deceptive. Bronto, thunder. Mega, huge. Micro, small. Raptor, robber. Rex, king. Seven questions about Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex was one of the largest and most fearsome carnivores of all time. What did T-Rex eat? Besides fossilized stomach contents, teeth are our best clues to the diets of dinosaurs. The teeth of carnivorous animals are usually sharp, serrated, dagger-like blades. These teeth help the animal both to kill the prey and to slice the meat before swallowing. T-Rex didn't chop or grind its food. It swallowed chunks whole. In addition to its sharp, serrated teeth, the lower jaw of the T-Rex had a joint midway through its length that may have helped absorb some of the shock generated by struggling prey. Where did T-Rex live? In western North America. Paleontologists have found most T-Rex fossils in states such as Montana and South Dakota. T-Rex fossils have also been found in Alberta, Canada. When did T-Rex live? T-Rex lived at the very end of the late Cretaceous, which was about 90 to 66 million years ago. One way of dating fossils relies on their relative positions in the ground. When paleontologists dig deeper in sedimentary rock, they are, in effect, looking back in time. As sediments carried by wind and water accumulate, they bury older layers. So the bottom layers in a geological sequence are usually the oldest and the top layers the youngest. To date rocks and fossils precisely, scientists can measure the amounts of particular radioactive elements, often radiocarbon or potassium, present to determine when a rock was formed or when the animal died. How long could T-Rex live? Probably not more than about 28 years. Sometimes animal bones, like the trunks of trees, accumulate yearly growth rings. The number of rings tells scientists the age of a specimen. The width reveals whether the animal was still growing. But only certain bones preserve a complete set of growth rings. Unfortunately, the large limb bones that survive best as fossils are not among them. How big was T-Rex? Up to 40 feet in length and 12 feet in height. T-Rex is estimated to have weighed between 11,000 and 15,500 pounds, 5 to 7,000 kilograms, with skin and flesh on its huge bones. That's about as much as the largest African elephant. How fast was T-Rex? Scientists continue to disagree about its speed, fast or slow. The most reasonable interpretations, based on the best preserved trackways, indicate a walking speed of 3 to 6 miles per hour. Running speeds are often based on the study of biomechanics. Researchers study the muscles and body design of large living animals, and the stress on the body caused by running. A applying this research to extinct animals, they think that T-Rex was a slow runner, achieving perhaps only about 10 miles per hour, 16 kilometers per hour, about as fast as an average human runner. These experts say size slowed T-Rex down, but why is it so hard to be big and fast? Bones, muscles, and posture all play a part. When was T-Rex discovered? In 1902, Barnum Brown, then an assistant curator for the Department of Vertebrate Paleontology at the American Museum of Natural History, recovered a partial skeleton of T-Rex at the Hell Creek Formation in Montana that would become the holotype specimen, the single specimen designated as the name-bearing representative of a new species. Over the next few years, he and his team would go on to find several more specimens on expeditions out west. Henry Fairfield Osborn, then president of the museum, gave the dinosaur its name in 1905, Tyrannosaurus rex, the tyrant lizard king. And with that, we wrap up this informative playthrough of Jurassic Park, the arcade game. All the data presented in this video is courtesy of the American Museum of Natural History's pages on Dinosaur Facts. Thank you for watching and listening, and please support Gotham as we move forward with this new format. Have a great weekend, everyone.